If you're running a subscription-based business model and you're looking for a way to scale efficiently, PartnerStack could be exactly what you need. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to leverage PartnerStack to supercharge your affiliate and partner programs, making it easy to scale your subscriptions while keeping everything streamlined. Stay tuned to learn how to use PartnerStack in a way that maximizes growth for your subscription business. PartnerStack is a platform designed to help businesses like yours set up and manage partnerships, including affiliate marketing, referral programs, and reseller partnerships. It's tailored for companies offering subscription services because it lets you manage recurring revenue, automate payouts, and track commissions for both affiliates and partners, all in one place. The first thing you'll want to do after signing up for PartnerStack is setting up your partner program. PartnerStack lets you customize your program based on the type of partnership you're offering, whether it's for affiliates who promote your service or for resellers who are selling on your behalf. The flexibility of the platform is one of its strongest points. You can choose from pre-built templates or create a custom program that fits your business model perfectly. Once your program is set up, it's time to onboard your partners. The process is straightforward and intuitive. PartnerStack provides partners with a dashboard where they can easily access their unique affiliate links, track their performance, and see their earnings in real time. This transparency not only motivates your partners, but also reduces the admin work you'd normally need to do. Plus, partners can access any marketing assets or resources you provide directly through the platform, making it easy for them to start driving traffic to your subscription service. Now, if you're working with recurring subscription revenue, PartnerStack allows you to set up commission structures that align with your subscription model. You can choose to pay your partners a one-time commission, or you can offer recurring commissions, which is perfect for subscription-based models, where you want to reward your partners for driving long-term customers. This is a huge benefit because it keeps your partners motivated to bring in quality leads that will stay subscribed for the long run. PartnerStack also integrates with various CRMs and payment systems, so everything from tracking customer data to managing payouts runs smoothly. It integrates with platforms like Stripe, Salesforce, and others to automate the entire process, meaning that you won't have to manually manage payments or update commission reports. This is critical for businesses with large partner networks or complex commission structures. For tracking and reporting, PartnerStack does a lot of the heavy lifting for you. You can easily track the performance of your partners, see which affiliates or resellers are driving the most subscriptions, and get detailed insights into revenue growth. This is essential for any subscription-based business because it helps you understand where to double down on your efforts and which partnerships are working best. One of the best features of PartnerStack is its scalability. As your subscription business grows, you can continue to scale your partner program without increasing manual effort. PartnerStack's automation features take care of payouts, reporting, and partner management, freeing up your time so you can focus on growing your business rather than managing relationships. Now, here's the best part. You can actually try PartnerStack for free through an exclusive trial available through the first link in the description below. This will give you the opportunity to experience everything I've mentioned firsthand without any commitment. PartnerStack really is one of the most powerful tools you can use to manage your subscription-based business's affiliate and partner programs. So if you want to increase your revenue, streamline your operations, and build lasting relationships with your partners, this is the platform to check out. Remember, that exclusive free trial is linked below. Grab it while it's available and start scaling your subscription-based business today with PartnerStack.